Sorry. Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on YouTube app, you will click on settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking. So that you'll enter to storage and then you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to